Did you know that some cooking methods can destroy up to 50% of certain vitamins in your food? What if the way you prepare your meals is silently robbing you of essential nutrients? Today we're diving into an often overlooked yet crucial aspect of nutrition. The question is, can cooking actually help preserve vitamins? And if so, what are the best techniques to retain as many nutrients as possible? Let's explore the science behind it. You see, our food is packed with essential vitamins like C, D, E, and K, along with the entire B complex. Many of these vitamins are sensitive to heat, light, and water. Our different cultures have developed various cooking methods like boiling, steaming, frying, and grilling. Each technique can help or hinder your health. So the question arises, which methods are most effective in preserving these vital nutrients? As we delve deeper into the world of nutritional cooking, you'll discover practical tips and strategies to make informed choices. These simple adjustments can make a significant difference in maintaining the nutritional integrity of your meals. Water is the essence of life. But when it comes to cooking certain veggies, too much of it can be detrimental to the vitamin content in your food. Boiling vegetables in water can lead to substantial losses of water-soluble vitamins, particularly vitamin C and B vitamins. For instance, studies show that up to 40% of the vitamin C in vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and carrots can be lost when boiled. Boiling potatoes in water can result in a loss of up to 20 to 30% of their vitamin C content. Steaming, on the other hand, offers a much better alternative. This method involves cooking vegetables in a small amount of water without submerging them completely. By minimizing the contact between water and vegetables, steaming helps retain more nutrients. Broccoli, spinach, and carrots are excellent candidates for steaming. Let's talk about the not-so-healthy fats. Frying foods in oils at high temperatures can negatively impact the vitamin content of your meals. When vegetables are fried, they are exposed to high levels of heat and oil. This can lead to the destruction of heat-sensitive vitamins, such as vitamin C, folate, and some carotenoids. High smoke point oils like olive oil, sunflower, or safflower oil are good choices for frying. If you must fry, consider adding a small amount of healthy fat to your food while frying. The fat can help absorb fat-soluble vitamins, helping your body better absorb these nutrients. Grilling and roasting are popular cooking methods that can enhance the flavor of your food. However, it's important to be aware of their potential effects on nutrient content. When vegetables are grilled or roasted at high temperatures, they undergo a process called the Maillard reaction. This reaction produces flavorful compounds and contributes to the browning of food. But it can also cause the degradation of certain vitamins and antioxidants. To mitigate these losses, it's advisable to grill or roast vegetables in moderation and combine these methods with gentler cooking techniques. Microwave cooking has often been demonized, but research suggests it might be a better option than traditional methods for preserving nutrients. Microwaves penetrate food quickly, resulting in shorter cooking times. This helps retain heat-sensitive vitamins and minerals. Additionally, microwaves use minimal water, reducing the chances of leaching out water-soluble nutrients. Studies have found that microwaving vegetables can preserve more vitamins compared to boiling or steaming. However, it's essential to use the right techniques. For example, cutting vegetables into smaller pieces allows for more even heating and faster cooking times. Covering the food while cooking traps steam and helps maintain moisture. Using a combination of cooking methods can yield the best results. For instance, start by cutting vegetables into smaller pieces and microwaving them for a few minutes. Then finish cooking them in a pan with a small amount of water or healthy fat. This approach combines the benefits of both methods and helps retain more nutrients. So why is it that even with all this knowledge, it seems so hard to preserve the maximum amount of vitamins in our food? Well, here's the deal. People want great flavor, the right texture, and the convenience that fits their busy lives. And that often clashes with keeping every last bit of vitamin intact. Like, have you ever thought about how frying gives you that satisfying crunchiness we all love? But in the process, it can lose up to 50% of those precious vitamins. It's a trade-off. Think about grilling. We crank up the heat to get that smoky char everyone loves, but that intense heat can break down some vitamins, especially if we overdo it. Even boiling, which is great for getting veggies tender, can make them lose a lot of their vitamin C if we boil them for too long. The challenge, my friends, is finding that sweet spot where our food tastes amazing, is easy to eat, and still packs a nutritional punch. It's a balancing act. But don't worry, because there are simple tricks to preserve more vitamins without sacrificing taste. Like instead of boiling, try steaming. It uses less water and cooks food faster, which means fewer vitamins are lost. When boiling broccoli, for instance, you can retain up to 90% of its vitamin C. But if you steam it, you can retain up to 100%. That's a big difference. Also, cooking veggies with their skin on, like leaving the potato jacket on or cooking Brussels sprouts whole, can help lock in nutrients. Skins contain fiber and antioxidants that are beneficial for health. Additionally, pairing vegetables with a bit of olive oil or avocado can boost the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Fat has a remarkable ability to enhance the bioavailability of vitamins A, D, E, and K. By incorporating a small amount of healthy fat into your meals, you can significantly improve your body's ability to absorb these essential nutrients. If you're going to freeze vegetables, do it properly. Blanching vegetables before freezing can reduce vitamin losses during cooking. Blanching involves briefly cooking vegetables in boiling water, followed by immediate cooling in ice water. This process deactivates enzymes that can cause nutrient loss during storage. When you're ready to cook frozen vegetables, it's best to cook them thoroughly to ensure any harmful bacteria are destroyed. However, avoid overcooking as it can lead to nutrient degradation. Studies show that making small changes in cooking methods can significantly increase vitamin retention. For instance, cooking broccoli in the microwave and then finishing it on the stovetop can raise vitamin C retention by up to 40%. Compared to boiling, similarly, steaming potatoes and adding a little butter can increase vitamin C retention by 20% compared to boiling. By adopting these evidence-based approaches, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals while maximizing the health benefits of your food. Incorporating these simple tips into your cooking routine can make a substantial difference in retaining vitamins in your meals. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate all cooking methods that may cause nutrient losses, but to use them strategically and in moderation. By understanding the nuances of cooking, you can make informed choices that prioritize both flavor and nutrition. Cooking is an art, a science, and a necessity. It brings flavors together and transforms raw ingredients into nourishing meals. But sometimes the very techniques that make our dishes irresistible can inadvertently diminish their nutritional value. It's a paradox that cooking both enhances and detracts from the health benefits of our food. As we've explored today, the way we cook plays a pivotal role in preserving the delicate balance of vitamins in our meals. From the gentle steam to the controlled flame, each cooking method has its own impact on the nutritional composition of our food. We've discovered that boiling for extended periods can deplete water-soluble vitamins, prompting us to seek alternatives like steaming or microwaving. Frying, while beloved for its crispy goodness, can compromise vitamin content, encouraging us to explore healthier cooking oils and techniques. Grilling and roasting, though fantastic for adding flavor, demand attention to prevent nutrient degradation. The challenge lies in reconciling our desire for culinary delights with the need to preserve essential vitamins. But it's not an unsolvable dilemma. By understanding the nuances of cooking, we can navigate this paradox. Choosing the right cooking method is key. Whether it's steaming vegetables to retain their vibrant colors, or greens with a touch of olive oil to enhance vitamin absorption. So let us not view cooking as a battle between flavor and nutrition, but as a canvas where we can blend both elements harmoniously. In the end, it's not about eliminating any particular cooking method, but about embracing a variety of techniques in moderation. By doing so, we can savor the rich tapestry of flavors life offers, while nourishing our bodies with the vitamins they need to thrive. In conclusion, the manner in which we cook our food can be as significant as the ingredients we choose. Preserving vitamins through cooking isn't about depriving ourselves of culinary pleasures, but rather about making smart choices that maximize nutrient retention. Every dish we create is an opportunity to strike a balance between taste and nutrition, with a little know-how and creativity. We can ensure our meals are both delicious and packed with essential vitamins. Share it with someone who loves to cook, and subscribe for more insightful health tips in the next video. We'll dive into the surprising foods that are more nutritious when raw. Until then, stay healthy and happy cooking.